มิตินี่นะกันหมู่จ้าเลยกันไงสาเนี่ยแม่กันรำเลยกันนำตานะมีจังกายตักไหมNUG Minister นี่บอกส่วนนี้Medical Doctor นี่บอก Doctor Sasa Thusawiตัวมินิสอมหุ่นกันอินเนียที่ส่วนนี้ดูโตกินมินิสอมส่วนนั้นหุ่นอินเนียหุ่นข้ามินเป็นสักเหล่าพรามตัวนี้กันเงินบอกเจนี่ตีกะมิโซตรงเรื่องตัวรักันง่ายแค่นี้มิโซกูดสุกันสเปเชียลสับตรงที่เป็นเหล่าพรามเสร็จกันเตียส่วนมิโซหลังเงินกันหน่วยนอนนี่อิสระเวปองง่ายตอนนี้นักกินอาจารย์ลมทูได้ปองมิโซสวยง่ายตอนนี้ตีกะจันตั้งให้ดิสิจันตอนนี้ออกกันซ้อมเจ้ที่ชวนเฮลัยเฮียนินกันนุลากันโฮสเชลตักแต่บ่อยเฮียนินดูสักนับปวนเราบาดโดนเจ้าเราสินเตียโดนเจ้าข้ากันอินจอยมวยนะกันควรเรียนกันควรซ้อมเต้กันหล่อไหม
โอเคอีดาแมมกันหล่อไหมนี่ข้าจูนมิโซต้องข้ากระเจียลินก็หวยกระเทียมปานประคานิคันจอยตัวตีอาจูนแกไอตัวกันนี่อิติยานที่จูกระเทียมแต่มิโซตอนนี้ข้าอะไรนูลานี่Sasa 做一ตัวที่จูแกไอตัวกันนี่ก็ที่จูอัดลองจะตัวลูกจูจ้าจูตัวเฮมิโซตอกจูมินิปฐุมนุสเวงจูอังกฤษเฮเอกา young generation อาคารก็สวยดูนี่มีลูกเสียทำตัวนี่จูเฮกาเฮควาเลียน chief case จะตักปูวันนี้ตัวงาและมิสซิสวันนี้ตัวงาขาดนี่จะกันนี่ตัวเองกลมแม่อันนี้จูเฮกาเฮจำตัก Mr. President MSA นิเซล่าเฮกาใจเทียมตักฮกาอะไรกับพิวแต่จูสรุปกับเป็นนี่โมอิทยมลุตุกจูตุน่าthe best dance just now the children you guys are the best dancer that I ever see well done yeah you are well done so thank you จูมิโซโตะก็จูอาโซโตะตัวก็จูอาโซโตะจู Today I like to say a message for particularly the young generation. The reason that I really want to talk to you is number one, really I believe in you. That's the point. I believe in you. I believe that you are the future of our people. And please, number one, I really want you tonight to think about this thing. Why we are here in America? Why we are here in the United States of America? That's number one question. Number two, where we came from? Where we came from? That's the two questions that tonight all the young people I really like you to take away. The moment we forget where we came from, that is the beginning of our lost generation. Meaning, we are here as Mizo, our culture matters, our language matters, where we came from matters. Before I go deeper, I like to introduce myself a little bit to you. I was born in a village. There is no doctor, there is no nurse, there is no hospital. One day, 3 boys from the same family, my childhood friend, died to diarrhea. There was no nurse, no doctor, no hospital. They passed away. The other day, I saw my mother's best friend pass away after 5 days of labor. Till today, whenever I think about it, my heart is broken, and I believe that God has called us not only to heal our people, but to heal our land and become a blessing for our people and country. And I worked to high school that take me 2 weeks. And Burma Army came and closed all the college. I cannot go to college in Burma. And I came to India. Again, it take me another week. I carry chickens, cows, pigs, sell all those domestic animals and finally get to college. And I was in 2 years in college in India and finally went to Armenia to study medicine. And from Armenia, by the grace of God, I went to UK and I did lots of clinical replacement. That time, one great thing happened. King Charles III, now it's King Charles III, I was given the opportunity to meet the King of UK. The reason I'm saying that all is because when you go for the needs of our people, I believe that God go with us. God bless that determination. I don't believe in giving up. One day I was in Australia a few months ago. I was talking to students in Australia. And that time, one of the students came up and said, 10 years ago, Dr. Sasa, you came to Australia. You told us that we can also become a doctor. And that doctor, after I spoke, came out and talked to me. Now, Dr. Sasa, I am like you, doctor. So, my message to you today is believe in the future, that you can do it. Don't give up. Our people need you. Our country need you. When you see the suffering and the pain of our people, like particularly in Burma, now we are facing criminal military regime. You know, one thing I like to tell you, they can take away your house, they can destroy your village, but they cannot destroy your faith in Jesus Christ. They cannot destroy your love for your people. They cannot destroy your hope in the Lord. And I believe that the calling of God to our Mizo people have not changed. God called us for His glory and His mission. Remember, finally, please don't forget that your people need you. Please don't forget that your country need you. We all are Mizo Nathang in that sense. We have to be one under God. Our unity is our future. If we are not united, believe me, we have no future. Therefore, dear young generation people, I believe you are doctors. I believe you are engineers. One day, you know, even you can become United States senators. I pray some of you will become congressmen. Even you can become United States of American president if you want to. That is the future that wait for you. Dear young generation people, again, today I believe that you are here for purpose. You are here for a reason. God has a plan for you. Finally, I would like to conclude. Finally, I pray for all of you that you have the faith like Abraham. I pray for you that you will have the resilience like Joseph in the Bible. I pray for you that you have the love for your people like Moses. I pray for you that you have the wisdom like Solomon in the Bible. I pray for you that you have the trust in Jesus, trust in God like David when he fight Goliath. Finally, I pray for you that you will be the server of Jesus. Above all, you will serve your people. May God bless you all.